बस 1 मिनट के लिए सोचो, क्या तुम्हारी रूटीन तुम्हारे गोल्स के हिसाब से बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है? दिन भर स्क्रॉल करना, अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलने की कोशिश ही ना करना, नमाज को टालना, पढ़ाई को और हर उस चीज़ को जो डिफ़िकल्ट लगती है। लेकिन ये सब करना is just living and enjoying life. What's wrong with that? But honestly speaking, it's a cheap dopamine that we are chasing and it's just temporary. You will end up regretting on that. What am I actually doing in my life? Being in a bad influence, doing haram things, wasting time. My parents are investing money and time on me, but what am I up to? लेकिन फिर wow, someone just received a message, and now what you would do? You would just chat with your friends and waste your time, and then you would be lost in that world of reels. You would be lost in that fantastic world, and then just forget about your parents' expectations, your dreams. When you see the time after 2 hours, 3 hours, then you realize that time actually flies. It's just you staying at the position you never wanted. थोड़ी सी realization के बाद अब someone had decided to detoxify himself from all of this mess created. But this is not a really easy process. अब सारी दुनिया की इंफॉर्मेशन हाफ ऑफ विच इज़ यूजलेस लेने के बाद यू स्टार्ट स्ट्रगलिंग विद टाइम एंड से मेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं होता।
हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं।
I know many of us, including me, struggle with time. We say that we don't have time, but deep down we also know that we have time, but we don't use it wisely. We first waste our time and then try to complete our tasks on the deadlines. And this is not just about your grades, this is about your whole life. Time management is a skill that helps you in every aspect of your life. अब here I am just trying to say कि सबसे पहले अपना काम complete करें, उसके बाद अगर आपने कुछ और करना है तो give yourself the reward and waste your time wherever you want. Focus on everything that needs to be done and do that on time. For example, if it's namaz, you are not praying, you are not considered as a Muslim, even though you have the ID card of being a Muslim, but you are not. So just pray on time and do everything on time. So for these some reasons, I have been finding some of the practical steps that would help all of us to manage our time more efficiently, and the things that I concluded are here. This is going to be so helpful. So जब आपको लगे कि आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा काम है करने के लिए and you don't have much time, so prioritize your goals. And after that, if you get distracted easily, so what you have to do, set a timer, use Pomodoro technique, which is you have to work for 25 to 40 minutes or how much you can resist without being like distracted to something. Then take a break of 5 to 10 minutes and give your mind the time to relax, doodle in that time or whatever you want, except using your phone again, क्योंकि जब you would complete that task you have assigned to yourself, the goal you have chosen, उसके बाद you should use your phone. But अपना task complete करने से पहले 25 minutes में don't give yourself your phone. And along with that, give yourself a deadline by yourself, cause अगर आपको कोई काम करना है, so you need to just say it कि you have to do it right now within 10 minutes or 15 minutes, then you would be able to complete it. And for minimizing your screen time, I would recommend you to download some kind of app for that. For example, what I am using recently is Stay Free. It just block the app after a certain limit you have set for each app. But the thing here is that you can block that timer or even delete that app. At the end, it's just you who can do everything. If you don't have the mindset to change, you can't do anything even if you download that app, follow every technique. So first, try to change your mindset and then follow these techniques that I have given, because I am following them from the past days, and yes, these are helpful.